Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure AWeber templates for consistent brand email designs, full guide step by step clearly. To start configuring AWeber templates for your brand, log in to your AWeber account. Navigate to the Messages tab in the main menu. Select Get Started under the Email Templates section. Choose Create a new template to initiate a fresh design. A variety of preset templates will appear on your screen. Pick a template that best aligns with your brand's visual identity. Once selected, click on the Edit button to customize the template. Begin by adjusting the colors to match your brand palette. Access the color settings by clicking on the section you wish to edit. Enter your brand colors using hex codes for accuracy. Next, modify the font styles for text consistency across emails. Select the text element and navigate to the font settings. Choose fonts that reflect your brand's personality and ensure they are easy to read. Make sure to set font sizes for headings, subheadings, and body text harmoniously. Continue by adding your logo to the email template. Drag and drop an image element where you want your logo to appear. Upload your logo file and adjust its size as necessary. Now, focus on the layout to enhance visual appeal and clarity. Rearrange elements by dragging them to create a clean, organized design. Incorporate dividers or spacers as needed to separate different sections. Once your layout is finalized, customize the footer section with your brand information. Include essential details like your contact info and social media links. Ensure the footer follows your brand's color scheme and font styles. Preview your email by clicking on the Preview button in the top right corner. Review the design on both desktop and mobile views to ensure responsiveness. After finalizing, save your template by clicking on the Save button. Label your template clearly for easy identification in the future. To use your customized template, select it when creating a new email campaign. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.